Hi there, and welcome to the weekend. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Cameco Corp. This is ticker CCJ. Now, CCJ is a leader in the uranium space, and the uranium space has been rocking since really since June, when it broke above and held above that 50-day moving average and did it on a nice pickup in volume. Yeah, you did get a bit of a back test, but once that happened, it pretty much just trended up and up and up. And ever since then, Cameco has been holding nicely in and around some key moving averages. And you can see here today that it's above the 50-day moving average. That's the red line. It's above the 21-day. That's the green line. And it's above the 8-day. So it's above some key moving averages. Meanwhile, if you look at the rest of the market, S&P, not so much. And so CCJ, I think, has some definite relative strength in this market and should be a stock that you should keep an eye on. Now, I will say they do have earnings coming up at the end of the month. That may not be something you want to hold unless you have a nice cushion in the stock. But I definitely think if we can get a nice break above that $39 level, it may give you a retest at least up to 42. And while that's not a lot, that's almost about 10%. Not too bad for a short-term swing trade. So that's what I would look for here on CCJ. As long as it can hold above that 50-day moving average, I think it should stay on your watch list. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And try and get a rest this weekend. I feel like we all need it. I'll see you next time.